Oh, hey, my love. Oh, I'm just sitting here on the sand, watching the sunset. Well, I didn't want to wake you up, so I thought I would just leave you sleeping. I know you said you wanted to do a quick power nap because it was a long day today, huh? We went to so many beautiful places. It's amazing to see, right? Costa Rica is a very beautiful country with lots of places to see, to explore, many adventures that we already experienced together. And yeah, I can understand that after this long day walking, I think 30,000 steps. Exactly. It's like a whole lot of workout. Even if it's just walking, still with walking every single day, you can still get a really good shape, by the way. Especially when we travel, we have records of all these steps counting. Yeah, I know. Of course, sit down. Yeah, sit on my lap. Feel free to sit wherever you want. By the way, I loved it when you just hugged me from behind, kissed me here on my neck. It's so wholesome and feels so divine and holy. Matter of fact, you make everything so vividly, passionately loving. Yes, you do. Oh, for sure. Traveling with you is exactly one of the most precious things and my favorite things that I'd love to do with you. And this is our first time actually, right? Being this far from home, far from Europe. And it feels super nice to be in a place where we have never been before and just explore hand in hand all these things, cultures, food. Oh, and look at the ocean. Yeah. Such a beautiful moment. These ocean vibes give me a sense of peace, you know? And it reminds me of you because you are the one that gives me peace too. And while you were just laying over there in this beautiful room with ocean view, I was just thinking about you the whole time. Because I am so happy. I'm so happy to have you. I'm so grateful. And actually, yes, these are happy tears. You know that I'm very emotional sometimes. Yeah, the tears that you see here are just happy tears. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm just happy because this right here is what I was always wishing for, praying for, asking for. And now it happened. It happened for you and me, being here together in this beautiful place, having the greatest sunsets I've ever seen in my whole life. And also, just being with the person that I truly love unconditionally is a gift for me. Matter of fact, I don't even need any other gifts on birthdays, Christmas, or anything like that. All I need is you. All I want is you. With you, I'm complete. With you, I feel so good. You know, you are the light of my eyes. You brought so much joy into my life. You brought peace. So much peace. You give me reasons to smile and be happy every single day. Especially looking into your eyes. Oh my God. Like right now, I'm looking right into your eyes. And I feel so so emotional. I see our future. A peaceful future. A safe, secure, protected future. Where we have a beautiful home. Where we travel around the world together. A future where we will have beautiful children one day. And I know you love children. You love this topic. You do, huh? And I love to talk about all these things with you. It makes me appreciate every single second even more with you. Yeah. I love you. And I mean it. Just by being with you, you here sitting on my lap, just cuddling and snuggling in. It's a feeling that is so divine, heavenly, something so holy. Of course, just lean your head right here. I know we both are tired, but if we spend time at these beautiful places here and we have an ocean view like that, we gotta embrace it and enjoy it. And here, just in case you get cold, you can take my jacket here. Let me put this off. Here, take this jacket. Put it on. So you can feel more warm. Nah, nah, nah. Don't worry, I'm not cold. Nah. As long as I have you here by my side, it will always be warm. And even hot. Yeah, in so many ways. Well, let's enjoy the last minutes before the sun goes down. And then we can go inside. Maybe eat something, maybe some snacks. And afterwards we can watch a favorite movie or whatever you like to do. We all do it together, either way.